All right, all right, all right. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Woo. You know, I was just thinking about, I really would love to know like what the stat is. How many days have I live streamed now? I feel like I've live streamed like I've been on a serious bender lately. Pretty much. I mean, honestly, we probably have live stream consistently since what? August of last year? It's pretty wild. Like sometimes I'm like, dude, it's like another day, another live stream. I don't know if I'm getting jaded, but man, it's like Groundhog Day sometimes. And it's funny because some of you guys have been here like every single day as well. So it's a crazy time to be alive either way. So we'll see. I mean, at some point I gotta like take a break, right? Like I gotta go on some type of break here, but we got a lot of momentum right now, so I guess we'll keep it going for now. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below. Let's go now. We're live. So we got Powell, right? Powell speaking today, 9:30. Is that the situation? I believe. I don't know what he's speaking about, but he's speaking. Bank of England governor speaking at 9:30 as well. Are they speaking together? Also, the ECB, yeah, there must be something going on with like the the Bank of England, and the US Fed speaking, right? Is that what's happening? Must be some type of conference or something, because they're all three speaking at 9:30. So, yeah, it's the panel of governors. That's what it is. Because I looked at it, I'm like, wait, the Bank of England governor speaking, the Fed chair is speaking, the ECB president speaking. It must be one big fuckfest of, pardon my French, but it must be one big punch bowl of bureaucracy. Bureaucracy, my friends. Oh, man. So I would say probably not going to be going crazy here at open trade-wise. Let's be patient. Let's be patient, my friends. I would also I would love to kind of go back and look at the data on like how many times I've gotten chopped up or I've gotten stopped out inside that first 15 minutes. Like I talk about the idea of like, why do I trade? Why don't I wait for the first 15-minute candle range, blah, blah, blah. Like I have talked about that before. Obviously I posted the whole video about it. So I would love to kind of know the actual stats on that at this point in my life. Like, like, do I really have an advantage trading in that first 15 minutes? I think I honestly, lately, I've just been like, just go. It works. We get those days where I'm able to jump in, make $10,000 in the first 15 minutes, and then I'm done. And then those other days I get stopped out, and it's kind of what it is. But, I mean, yesterday, what an insane move yesterday here on the NASDAQ. I mean, what the fuck? Literally, look at this thing yesterday. What was that at 11:15? That was the 200-point mover right there. I mean, you literally, like you could have gotten long off this 15-minute range breakout basically and just rode that thing from the 72s up there to the 140s. Absolutely insane. So coulda, shoulda, woulda, obviously, but damn, Junior. Look at that thing. Absolutely nuts. Like, why can't that ever happen when I'm in a trade? Why can't I ever be in a trade and the market goes up 200 points just straight up, nonstop, no pullbacks? Like, there was literally like no pullbacks. If you would have got in down here, you would have just been like, do. And then this is what we had. We traded this right here. This is what we traded in the morning. And then this is what happened in the afternoon. Gotta love it. It's comedy at its best. Sometimes you just gotta laugh. You gotta laugh at the market, man. All right. Looking here, what do we got today? What do we got? Got it. We got a pivot point right now on the NASDAQ here at the 38 level, 15,038. The next pivot point is not till like way up there at the 15,214. because of that big move yesterday. We had that big move, so those pivot points are going to be really spaced out today. So that's a pretty big move. I'm not going to say it's not possible, but that's a pretty big move there on the NASDAQ. Right now, we're basically, we are opening up with the gap down here. We are gapping to the downside. We got a bunch of people speaking at 10:30 today. I'm definitely not going to be in any type of race to, you know, do anything crazy here. Do I actually hold like 10 to 15 minute candle, etc.? I mean, sometimes I try. What do I think about the midpoints when the pivot points are so spaced out? That's not a bad idea. But basically right now we're sitting there at that pivot point on both the QQQ and on the NASDAQ. On the SPY, you can see here on the QQQ right now, basically that 362.30 area sitting right there. So we do have that gap down. We gap down from the 363.80 area on the QQ this morning. We got a bunch of people speaking at 9:30. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see how it plays out here. I'm definitely, it's funny because I say this now, but I'm definitely like, I'm taking profit today. All right. No bullshit, Patrick. Like, just take fucking profit. We can always get back in. I gotta, you know, it's not as much as I want to get those big trades. Like, there's no reason, like, there's literally no reason that I should go from being up $8,000 to getting out for break even. Like, that's madness, right? Like, that's absolute fucking madness and stupidity. That's all that is. So I definitely got to, you know, just take some profit. Fuck. I mean, I literally, how many times have I done that now? Done that multiple times now where I've been up $8,000 and literally fucking not taking profit and then got stopped out for break even, which is crazy. Fucking crazy. That's some crazy shit right there. So right now the QQQ here, 362s. If we look at the SPY, where's the SPY at here? SPY. The SPY also gapping down 434.95, so that 430 level, 435 level on the SPY, 439, 434, sorry, 434.95 pivot point right there on the SPY. We're below the VWAP on the SPY, below the VWAP on the QQQ, and then on the ES also below the VWAP. So we've kind of bounced off this 4,407 level, the high of day yesterday, 4,424 up there. Just an insane, I mean, look at the ES yesterday after 11 o'clock. I mean, what the freaking frick? 40 points on the ES, literally just straight up. Do. Crazy. Crazy. All right. So yeah, we got a lot of people, a lot of speakers today. So 9:30, kind of just being patient here, my friends. We got some big news today. I don't know if it's big news or if it's just hype right now, but on the news right now here is Topstep talking about some big launch coming from Topstep. I think it's coming out this weekend. So you guys are looking at getting into some stuff there. Topstep today posting up the rocket ship. We got a rocket ship, Topstep, going to the moon, baby. I like it a lot. I want to go to the moon, baby. I want to go to the moon. So that news will be coming out on Sunday, I believe. Big news. Pretty much changing the whole entire game for Topstep. So I think everybody will be very excited. There's honestly, like, if you've been on the fence, you've never, like, you're like, I don't want to sign up for that. I don't want to do it. Like, I'm not going to spoil it, but you might be a lot more willing to do it on Sunday. And I think what I might do is I might do another evaluation, another challenge, maybe just do it all live on YouTube. I know I always say I'm going to do it. I've never actually done it, like legitimately show every single entry and exit, but maybe we'll do it. Maybe I'll do it. Maybe I can't do it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll find out. No pressure, Patrick. No pressure. Let's just focus on today for now. That's next week. That's next week, all right? For now, let's do it. Rocket ship news. Let's just say it's going to be big news, great news, amazing news for everybody. Kyle, I'm currently trading one account. Everybody, guys, I'm trading one account right now. Everyone needs to relax. Patrick's trading one account. All right, one funded account right now. I would definitely be buying call options on Topstep if they were selling call options. If anybody wants to sell me some call options on Topstep, I would gladly buy those. We got about 40 seconds till the market opens. Got 40 seconds. We'll probably do a giveaway later on today. Can you use Topstep in Europe? You can. Well, I don't really have the news. The news is coming out on Sunday, but it has something to do with a launch. It has something to do with a rocket launch. So maybe they bought a rocket ship. They're sending it into space. Going to be satellite trades. You're going to be able to get direct connection through satellite to place your trades. I don't know. I'm just here. I'm just a guy on the internet, man. All right, all right. Market is now open for business. Little squeeze up here on the NASDAQ right now, going straight up. Got the VWAP up there at the 53s. 53 VWAP right now. NASDAQ straight to the moon here. Right to that VWAP level there. The NASDAQ can get above that 50 level, probably push up there to the 60s next. Getting stuck there at the VWAP for now. VWAP resistance there on the NASDAQ. On the book map over here, we ran into that VWAP level hard and back down. The chop is real. Like we talked about earlier, a lot of people speaking today at this conference, so expecting just a lot of kind of choppy, crazy action. Look at that thing straight back down now. Wow. He's dumping. We got this kind of key level that needs to hold for the bulls, I would say. We want to see that 20 area hold for the bulls. Got denied right there at the 52s. And once again, chopping back up there. Got the ES sitting there at the 4,404s. NASDAQ sitting here at the 35s. A lot of choppy action. We got to get above that VWAP for the NASDAQ here. You got the ES selling off through the lows right now. The NASDAQ pushing up there to the VWAP once again. Lots of choppy misdirection right now. Look at the NASDAQ up there to the 60s now. Wow. The ES down there at the lows right now at the 4,403s. The NASDAQ kind of up here at the highs. The chop is very real. NASDAQ once again up there to the 60s. Tricky market here. The ES looking weak right now. The NASDAQ kind of holding up here at the VWAP right now. NASDAQ squeezing up there. The ES kind of holding up. NASDAQ really showing a lot of strength for now, but the ES looking weak over there. We'll see how this plays out. Kind of waiting to see what happens here. The chop is real. Back to the VWAP again. Get over the 70 level. I think we push up there quickly to the 90, 80s through the 70s here. The ES still not having, just getting stuck there at 70s again. I don't like how the ES is just sitting down there at the lows right now. The ES just can't get back up. The NASDAQ trying to get through the 70s right here. Get through that 70 level. I think we push up here to the 90s, but right now I got to break through 70 strong. Trying to push up there through the 70s. Need the ES to start pushing here as well for this to go, go, go. NASDAQ trying to push up. Want that 80 push quickly. Trouble at the 70s again. The ES can get above that 4,405. I think it'll get the NASDAQ moving here. Just got to get the ES pushed back over the 405s. 74s on the NASDAQ right now. Trying to push up there towards the 80s. That target up there above 80 now. Looking for 80 break. 75s tapping. Want to get go. I just want a big boner candle right through the 80 liquidity here. There's a bunch of liquidity at the 80s right there on the book map right now. So you got to go if you're going to go. You got to go if you're going to go here. Needs to eat right through there. Trying to push it again. Got to get through 80s, like right. I want to see it break on this candle right here. Nope, I don't want to pull back here. No pullbacks, just straight through it, through the 80s here. Careful. Got to get right through there. The ES breaking through the 405s. There we go, trying to get through the 80s now. That liquidity sitting there at the 80s. Can we go all the way through the 80s? There we go, beautiful 82s. I'll take profit there at the 82s. All right. We got the push up to our target there. Like I said, over the 70s, up there into the 80s now. Thank you very much. Look at that 85s pushing. Did I call out when I entered? I said if we break over the fucking 70s, we go to the 80s. God. I don't fucking care. I honestly don't give a fuck. I don't care. If you don't fucking get, just everybody leave the stream. Leave the stream now. Just leave. Just leave the stream. Literally a joke. Why didn't you tell us when to buy? Why didn't you tell us? Oh my God. A joke. It's literally a joke. I fucking hate this live stream. Fucking hate it. God. Why didn't you tell us when to enter? Did I not? I literally fucking said, if we break over 70, we're going to the 80s. Where do we go? Look, very clear. I mean, it's not fucking rocket science, people. Look, 70. We break 70. Look, oh my God, where do we go? 86. Literally insanity, dude. Fucking insanity. I know, because I take one long and one short. Did I say anything about being short there? Did I say, hey, if we don't break 70, I'm going to be fucking short? Like, how do I claim that hey, look at me, I made profit off a short? How would I claim that? How would I fucking, like, if you guys were like, wait, Patrick, you said you're looking for a break through the 70s. Fuck, oh my God. So over it. So fucking over it. It's a joke. Like, why even, like, literally, people, if you don't fucking like it, don't watch. Literally, nobody's forcing you to watch this fucking live stream. Please go somewhere else. And look at this. Now I'm missing out on the fucking next trade because this bullshit. This is why I hate the live stream. I fucking hate it. Because of this bullshit. Like, why do I even have to justify myself anymore? What a joke. Oh my God. We said on the ES as well here. We looked for that push above the 405s on the ES for that breakout there. Over the 405s, now up there to the 408s. Got the VWAP right there at the 408s. Sometimes. Look where we're at now. Now we're going through the hundreds here. Like, whoop the fucking dude all day. Whoop the fucking dude all day. Like, where are we at? Where are we going? Whoop the dude all day. Got the dollar pushing up here. We're right at a pivot point on the daily chart as well. That 88 level pivot point on the daily chart here. So need to get above that 100 level on the NASDAQ. Maybe a little pullback here, but that 100 level needs to kind of get cleared out. There's liquidity sitting there at the 100s, 105s. Above that, anything's possible. We still have that gap fill on the QQQ here as well. We start ramping up through the hundreds. The ES there at the 08s right now. NASDAQ pulling back here. See how this pullback plays out. Maybe pull back here into this level again. Here we are pulling back 75s now. Got the VWAP on the NASDAQ down there at the 58s. So 58 VWAP there. Pulling back on the 1 minute chart here now. Still inside of that 15-minute range. Bounce right off the VWAP for now. NASDAQ dumping back down here. Still holding up there at the VWAP for now. You can see that 15-minute candle pretty much right there, back in the middle of that 15-minute range now. The NASDAQ, the ES both pulling back. The ES pulling back harder from the 08s back to the 02s right now. What happens next? Anybody knows? The dump is real. Look at this thing just ripping down right now. Back to that pivot point there on the QQQ. Well, through the pivot point on the QQQ, back to the pivot point on the NASDAQ right now. The ES at the 4,400 level again. ES really just dumped it down there. Dollar going straight up. Dollar breaking out right here, sending the market down, I think. But with the ES now bouncing off the 4400s. NASDAQ trying to hold there at the VWAP for now. On the 15-minute chart there. Little squeeze back up. We bounce right off that pivot point there on the NASDAQ. There's a 40 pivot point right there that we bounced off of. After this sell down, so see where they go from here. That kind of V off the bottom. V off the bottom, baby. Be kind of funny if they rip this all the way back up there to the highs again. Kind of looking like that right now, to be honest. Kind of looking like that, to be honest. At 80 level, get through that 80 level. I think we'll push up there to the hundreds again. The dollar dumping down here. The dollar's dumping. The ES, NASDAQ trying to bounce back here. The dollar keeps dumping. I think the NASDAQ will break through that 80 level. Try to make a move up there towards the hundreds again. A lot of people talking today in Europe, I guess. So anything could happen. Be careful, my friends. A little bit of a disconnect right now between the NASDAQ and the ES. The ES still down there at the lows. The NASDAQ above the VWAP here. You can see how the ES is down here at this low area again. You got the VWAP on the ES up there at the 08s. You got the VWAP on the NASDAQ right here, right now. So we're above the VWAP on the NASDAQ. We're below the VWAP on the ES. So interesting. The ES just cannot seem to get support here. So that's probably going to bring the NASDAQ down with this. So the NASDAQ really needs to hold that VWAP for now. See if the ES is going to bounce here off the 4,400 again. NASDAQ right there at that VWAP, possible bounce here again. There's that little bounce up there to the 80s. Big strong bounce off the VWAP once again. Be looking for this to take out the highs now. We can just keep this momentum pushing. Really just need the ES to try to follow through here. Need that ES kind of push it back up there. Back up there above the 4,404. 4,004. There we go. The ES trying to push here. Can the NASDAQ get moving through the 80s strong? Almost like a double bottom there on the ES for now. On the 1 minute chart. We're pretty much still inside that 15-minute range on the NASDAQ. So the moment of truth. The moment of truth here. We got a pivot point as well on the QQQ right where we're at right now. So we want to get above this pivot point on the QQQ. Try to get up here quickly through that pivot there. But right now you can see QQQ right there at the VWAP, right there at that pivot point. We can break out of this last high of that candle on the QQQ. NASDAQ should try to push up there. Just kind of consolidating. This is a 3-minute chart. That moment of truth here needs to push strong. Kind of consolidating right there at the 70s for now. That 15-minute chart showing that resistance there at the 80s. The ES just can't get going. Kind of flagging, bear flag here on the ES, I'd say. It breaks that 4,400 area. Not looking good. So kind of a triple bottom coming up here possible. Need to hold there. Dollar still selling. We're at the VWAP. A moment of truth here. $15-minute candle on the NASDAQ looking very indecisive right here at the VWAP. Very indecisive right now. That 402 holding again on the ES. Would love to just see this 15-minute candle rip up here now. A support there, the VWAP holding up for now. You can see right now here on the 1 minute chart, just sitting right there at the VWAP here. Dangerous spot. We'd like to get a little push off of here, get through there again at the 80s, but for the bulls to hold here. But this is definitely looking like a dangerous spot to be long. We lose that VWAP support. It's a quick drop down there to the pivots again, to the 40s. Need to hold. Got the ES kind of like on this trend line right here. Will we get a breakout? Getting very tight there. Very tight on the ES right now. NASDAQ once again bouncing off that 60 at the VWAP. The ES can start pushing back up, try to tap that VWAP again here. Oh man. Back up there to the 80s again on the NASDAQ. Do we start to break here? VWAP and the pivot on the ES on the QQQ right now, just sitting there holding us down. We pushed up that VWAP once again there. Will they take it out here? They're trying. There's the push. The ES trying to break out as well. Funny, the SPY and the QQQ kind of similar setups, but it's funny. QQQ right here. This was the SPY we were looking at. Sorry, this is the SPY we were looking at there. The QQQ needs to push. We're above the VWAP there on the QQQ. Get this push straight up there to the hundreds. All right, all right. Beautiful move here. We held the VWAP. We squeezed. Over this 100 level, you got, what do you think? What do we got here? If we look at this 100 level, possibly 110s, 120s, and then 130, 140 area up there from yesterday. Everything trying to squeeze up here. NASDAQ at the 102s. I think we can go to the 20s here, possible. On the book map right now, you got a bunch of liquidity sitting there at the 1675s. 1675s there on the book map here. Little pullback after the ES push up there to the VWAP. The ES straight up there to the VWAP, just like we were looking for. We need that ES to keep showing strength, take the NASDAQ with it. I want to see, just want to get out of this area here, this 408 area. We want to clear all this out right here. Get through up, probably up there to the 12s would be where you want to get this just right through there. You don't want to get stuck here again. Sell back down to the VWAP. Chop fest. This 88 level is a daily pivot on the NASDAQ as well, so see what they do here. ES right there at the VWAP again. NASDAQ trying to push through here. That next push on the NASDAQ gets us up here into that 20s, I think. So if we get one more push through here, get through this kind of like 95 area, try to get that target up there to the 20s, 120s or so. Currently, it is 10 o'clock in the morning here. Oh, if you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. Blow up that like button. It's free to like. That 15-minute chart on the NASDAQ. Again, you got the VWAP down there at the 62s. What a battle. Battle at this level here. The bulls are not sure they want to push. Not sure. Oh, God. He's burping. Once again, the ES chopping back down here. Both the ES and the NASDAQ chopping back down hard. Oh, man. One of those days. It's just one of those days, my friends. No follow through today. Kind of talked about this earlier, that idea of not getting the follow through. So I'm not surprised. And the NASDAQ back down there to the VWAP. What will happen next? Amateur Genius followed the process, made $2,900. Let's go. Congratulations, my friend. You are the MVP of the day. Dun 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 dun. And once again, bouncing off the VWAP there. Got the dollar coming back up. Got the weakness here in the NASDAQ. That VWAP still holding up there on the NASDAQ. I think if we lose that VWAP support, this thing gets nasty quick. Look at the ES right now. How's this set up on the ES here? Get below that 02s on the ES. I think you move down there to the 96s next. About to be a test. Test of that trend line on the ES right now. Still holding up there at 02s for now. The ES held the 02s for now. Once again, do we push back up there to the VWAP? One more chop up there to the highs again. Let's do it. Tuh. NASDAQ holding there at the VWAP. Once again. Trying to kind of see where this 15-minute candle closes at here. Once again, bouncing off the VWAP. That 402 area on the ES held up there again. For like the, what, third or fourth time. And here on the NASDAQ, the VWAP held up once again. So it's really it's kind of in this side of this channel right now here on the NASDAQ. Pretty clear cut channel there on the 1-minute chart. Pretty clear cut. Back to the O2s on the ES again. Dollar going up here. NASDAQ sitting there at the VWAP once again. Painful. Painful action here. NASDAQ holding that trend there for now. See if we're going to run this back up there at the top of that channel again. Right now, just stuck there at the VWAP. Oh my gosh. See if we can get over 80s here. Maybe we push up there through the hundreds next. Got to get through that 80 level again. The ES just like not really going anywhere. The NASDAQ's sitting here. Oh, there we go. Well, we actually get a move down here now, or we're going to just chop back into that fucking channel again. That 4,400 area on the ES just bounced it once again. Through that 400 level, you get down here probably 95, 94s. Absolutely no follow through today. Every move is just a chop back up, or chop down, or chop up. We're pretty much right where we opened at. Welcome to Chop City. One ticket to Chop City, please. I got 2 tickets to Chop City. Yeah, I don't know what to do here. Not trading this, that's for sure. It's painful. Just absolutely painful right now. The ES right back up there above the O2s. The NASDAQ are right back up there again. Like, fuck me. Every drop, every pop, just denied. Not going anywhere today. We're stuck at the fucking train station. The train ain't going. We got the train pulling both ways, back and forwards right now. So, welcome to the party. It's terrible. I don't want to be in this party. I don't want to be in it. So, not my kind of party. And here we go, heading back up now. Oh my gosh. Above the 80s again here on the NASDAQ. We held that pivot point down there at the 40s again. Oh, look at that rip. Off the lows. Taking it back up there. If I'll push to the top of that channel now. Wowzers. Whee! Trading is so fun. I love it. I love trading. I want to trade my whole entire life forever. I just love this. Look at this thing. Fucking ripping right now. Oh my baby Jesus. Up there to the top of that channel again on the NASDAQ here. That 410 level on the ES trying to push up there. You got that 412s looking interesting on the ES for a push. through there. That 412 area is sitting up there right now on the ES. Trying to get that 412 push here on the ES now. Up there to the 20s on the NASDAQ. All right, all right. All right, all right. There's that 412 push on the ES now. Had it there on the book map, that 412 level. Next up, the 15s for the ES. I think kind of that 140 to 150 area looks interesting here for the ES next. 135's up there. $150 showing up on the book map right now, so it might not go straight there, but it's up there. It's up there. Maybe a little pullback here. Maybe a little pullback, maybe not. ES at the 112, 4,412 right now on the ES here. And then after that, you're looking at like the 15s, 16 level. They can get going. There's a bunch of liquidity sitting there at the 12 area. Resistance from the overnight as well, sitting there. Or this morning, actually, on the ES. So that 12 level, get through there. Then you're looking at the 16s next. That was a pretty big move up, so maybe a little consolidation before breaking through there. Unless we just go straight to it. The 1 minute chart on the ES right now. We broke through that trend line on both the ES and on the NASDAQ here. $15 just sitting up there. NASDAQ pullback here. Pushed up there to the 30s on the NASDAQ, got stuck, pulled back. 105's liquidity now on the book map there, right there. The ES pulling back here again. Be a real shame if they just fucking pull this all the way back down into that channel again. Be a real shame. You kind of want to hold the NASDAQ, hold that 100 level here. We don't want I don't want to fucking go all the way back down to the bottom of that goddamn channel. Let's get out of this channel, damn it. The ES above the VWAP really for the first time today, so you'd like to see that ES hold the VWAP area. Can't hold there, then we're in trouble. Really want to get this thing to hold, man. Hold that level there. The NASDAQ to hold that 100s, get up there again, but the ES right now is sitting there, just want to fucking hold that VWAP, baby, hold it. Fine line in the sand here for the ES. Needs to basically just rip back up there, but right now I'm getting stuck again at the VWAP. Why? Why can't we just go up 500 points in one move and we can all be rich, rich, rich? It's working. I'm singing. Why can't we just go up 500 points in one day and we can all just be rich, rich, rich? Is it still working? Trying to make it. I'm trying to sing to the market. I'm going to serenade the market. Come on, baby. Just go straight up 200 points. Just give me 200 points. I want 200. I want 200 points. Just 200 points. Just one time in my life, I would just like 200 points. Just one time. I'm not asking for much. Just one time. One time, please. Please, you little market. I just want to go up 200 points. Just 200 points. I stop singing, the market comes back down. Damn it. Don't stop singing, Patrick. Keep it going. Keep singing. And we just go up, 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 up. We're gonna fly like an eagle to the sea. Fly like an eagle. Watch the spirit carry me. I wanna fly like an eagle. Set me free. Fly right into the 50s. Is it working? Is it working? I think it's working. We're gonna fly like an eagle to the sea. Fly like an eagle. Let my spirit carry me. I want to fly. I don't know. I don't know if it's working or not. Definitely going to get copyright notification. Definitely got to get copyright. I'm getting an email from YouTube. Sir, you've been using copyrighted music on your live stream. It's working, guys. I'm telling you, it's going to the 50s. Just fly right to the 50s. Let my spirit carry me. I want to fly like an eagle to the sea. Fly right into the ocean. Come on, just go to the 50s. 50s is sitting up there on the book map. We talked about that earlier, that 50 level. That's my money making noise. That's I'm thinking about all the money in my bank account going 1 2 1 2 1 2 42s. Come on. Give me a little bit more, baby. Give me a little bit more. Daddy wants 50s or higher. The ES still has not broken above the highs, so if the ES can break through that 12 level, go to the 16s, well, we'll take the NASDAQ up there to the 50s. So that's what I'm looking for here, baby. Just ride it with me. Ride it with me. Ride it with me. Come on, baby. I want that 50 break. I want that 50. I want that 50, 50, 50 cent. Oh, God. Oh, God. Look at a little top heavy here, but I think we still got one more little squeeze coming. 44 again. No, we get through the 44. Don't do that. Don't do that. Just go through the 44s. Oh, you son of a bitch. Put my stop right here at the 32s, locking it in at least. We guarantee we lock in $3,700. So I think we can go up here into the 50s, though. I'm going to stick to the plan. Oh, you fucker. I put my stop there, and the market maker is going to come get it. Watch them. They're like, hey, we're coming for your stop, Patrick. Always. Guaranteed. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, my. Oh, my. Price action. This is the 100 tick chart. I was trading last night on the 100 tick chart. We need to do 500. A little crazy. Oh, God. Just go to the fucking 50s for once in my life. Just listen to me. Just listen to me. For once. For once. God, go. Need that 50 break here. He wants it. He wants it. Oh my, come on. 50 break, 50 break, 50 break, 50 break, 50 break, 50 break, 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 50 break, 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 50. Nope. ES getting stuck there, the 12s again. Come on, ES, go to the 16s. ES goes to the 16s. We get to the 50s here on the NASDAQ. I got a feeling. I got a feeling, baby. I'm got a feeling. He's got a feeling. God damn it. Why? We went to 49. I had to be greedy. I had to get 3 more fucking points, didn't I? Just 3 more fucking points. Just 3 more fucking points, Patrick. That's all. Yeah, I want 3 more fucking points. God fucking damn it. Oh, why me? Why is it always me? If I would have taken profit at fucking 49, it would have went to 200. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. Just go. I hate my life. Hate my life. Hate my life. Oh, you son of a bitch. Just do it. You want that 50 level, baby. You want it. I know you want it. You're gonna get it. Just take it. Just take it, NASDAQ. It's yours for the taking. It's yours for the taking. It's yours for the taking. Just fucking take it. Take it, baby. Come on. Fight for your right to break the 50s. Fight for it, baby. Fight for it. Fight for it. I'm gonna take it off. I'm taking it off. Fuck you. Taking it off. 51. Fuck you. I'm out. Fuck you. All right. Fuck all of you guys. Look at it. I told you it's gonna go up the minute that I fucking sell. God damn it. I hate my life. Oh my God. If I had $1 for every time I sold fucking early. Are you kidding me? Literally, it's a joke. My life is a joke. If I wouldn't have sold right there in the fucking 50s, it would have dropped to the 30s, stopped me out, and then it would have broke through. But the point that I didn't sell, it's gonna keep going, obviously. Oh my freaking hell, man. Why? Why is it always like that? Why is the market always gotta do me like that? Always gotta be doing me like that. Always gotta be doing, but don't worry. I still got my long in my Trade Evade account going here as well, up there to the 60s. Oh, baby. I'm gonna sell one right here. I'm gonna hold one for a little push more. A little bit more. I'm gonna take one right there. I'm gonna leave one runner, baby. See if we can't get our push up there to the 200s today. You assholes. This market. You're not you guys. It's the market. The market hates me, I swear. Look at this thing. Now to the fucking... Are you kidding me? How does this happen? How? How does this fucking happen? I take profit, it goes straight to the fucking moon. Always. The market's rigged. It's rigged. This fucking whole thing's rigged. Literally, it couldn't go through the 50s when I was long. Then it fucking breaks right through there, goes straight to the fucking moon. It hates me. It fucking hates me, man. Look at that 15-minute breakout there. Wowzers. Whee! Look at that 15-minute candle for the 65s all the way up there to the almost 100 points there. I'm going to leave a runner on the move. I'm going to leave a runner going here because I think there's a possibility of this kind of target up here, the 366s on the QQQ pivot point there. So I'll leave that one runner going here. I think it's, you know, we're long from the 107s. So I'm going to get my 200-point move, my 100-point mover. I'll get my 100-point move here. Finally. Finally, I'm going to get my 100-point fucking move. Problem is, I wasn't full size. Every time. It's rigged. The market's rigged, I'm telling you. It's all fucking rigged. This whole thing's rigged. It's all rigged. Fucking market's rigged, man. Literally one big rigged fucking thing. Tell me it's not rigged. Tell me the market's not rigged. I promise you it's rigged. It's fucking rigged. How do they know? How does the market know that the minute that I sell, it's going to go up 30 points? How? How does it know? The market fucking knows. It's like, it's waiting, it's watching. It's like, all right, Patrick took profit. Go 30 points. Fuck you. Oh my God. It's bullshit. It's absolute bullshit. That's why they call the bulls. They're bullshitting everybody. One big bullshit. I'm still long one contract, looking to see if I can finally get my 100-point fucking mover on one contract, maybe. Who knows? Let this thing fucking simmer. Let it cook. Let it sizzle. Let it sizzle, baby. Let it sizzle live on YouTube. This was, I was saying, this was my kind of entry here when we pulled back into this level. I was saying we had to hold that 100 level. We hold that 100 level. That's what we were looking for. That's what my entry was. We got the breakout there. And I'm like, okay, we're going to hold. I'm going to jump in. I think it's a really good overall risk reward. We had good confirmation that we broke out of this kind of channel, had a little pullback, and then was looking for, you know, that 50 level. And then now up there almost to the 90s. So I'm pretty happy with it. I think it's a good trade. I took it. But yeah, that 100 level, we kind of just wanted to hold that 100 level strong. That was the Patrick Wieland. This is like a textbook market flow trader type of setup. You guys are on the fence. You're like, I don't know if I want to join market flow trader. I don't know if I'm going to learn anything. Well, you might learn something. Right there is textbook, baby. Just textbook. Really, you know, the whole thing is like, we're trying to react, right? People think that like trading is about like predicting, but the market, I would say trading is a lot more about reacting, right? Like we're reacting to something happening. Like something needs to happen for me to be like, hey, okay, what's my theory here? Like very simple. Like what is my theory here? We pushed above this channel. We broke out. We had this huge move back up. I'm not going to FOMO inside of here because I already know that we've gotten denied at that channel before. So I'm not going to fucking FOMO in here, right? Like there's no reason for me to get long right here. If you got long right there, well, you're just gambling. So all I'm waiting for is my reaction to this breakout, right? Like we break out here. Here's the action. This is the action in time, the event. This is the event, right? Like this is the event. Now we're reacting. How do we react to this? Very simply. Like I'm like, hey, look. Oh my God, baby. We're going to get it might happen. We might get the move, baby. Right now we're up almost 87 points. Let's go. Should I hold it all the way to 200? What do you think? What do you think, chat? You tell me. Hold it forever? Hold it forever, chat. Never selling. Think we might get 100 points here? Should I get my 100 points here or what? Should I get my 100 points or what? What do you think? You guys tell me. I'll listen to you. Take my profit here. We're long from the 107s, by the way. Anyone that can't see that. Long from the 107s there. We're up about 90 points on this last contract. Can we push to the 200s? Oh, now I start talking about it. It pulls back, obviously. Guaranteed. I'm holding it. I'm holding it. We're almost to our target there. We're pretty much right there almost. That target of that QQQ. We just talked about this move up there to that QQQ pivot point there at the 366.12 area. So that was our target, baby. I like that there's people on Twitter right now tagging me that they're like promoting their services, that they're up huge right now. I'm like, well, congratulations. Me too, buddy. Me fucking too. All right. I'm up 90 points. Get on my level. 90 points. I think I'm going to put my final stop right there at the 82s just to guarantee I lock this in. It's gone straight up here. We pretty much hit our target. I'll put it right there, 77s. That's 70 points, you know, live on YouTube here. I think that's a pretty good win for us today after this morning's debacle. Let's see. Can we get through the 90s here up there to the 100s? There's a bunch of liquidity. Oh, 200s. A bunch of liquidity there at the 200s right now. We push to that 200 level. I think we could go, baby. I think it's possible. I'm going to move my thing up to 87 now. So now we're guaranteeing 80 points here. All right. All right. Let's see. We need a squeeze up there to our target. We can't lose. We're gonna... I'll take 87. Totally fine with me. 80 points there on that move from the low. 107 entry here. Oh, gosh. Can you take me higher? Up there, the 94s. Just having a little bit of trouble there. Again at the 200s. And I'm out at the 87s. 80 points. All right. It's fine. I'm fine. I'm happy. I could have tried to be greedy, but I'm going to take it. It's probably going to fucking squeeze now that I'm out. But hey, I'll take it. Really simple, easy setup here. Like I talked about. Bam. Right. We got this little pullback. We had that 100 area. We're reacting to this, right? Like we see the move here, there. It's going to fucking go. Watch. It's okay. I did it for you guys. I got out so that it would break higher for you guys. All right. That's what I did. I did it for you guys. You guys are, I'm sacrificing my profits so that my live stream viewers can make more money than me. All right. I'm here for you guys. Congratulations. All right. I'm doing it for you. Well, you see the 100 level. That's what we were looking for. We wanted that 100 area to hold. Very easy, simple setup here, guys. Not rocket science. We had that big move up. We looked for the pullback. We jump in there when we held that 100 area, and there's about a 100-point move to the upside here on the NASDAQ. We're doing this live on YouTube every day. If you haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. Go ahead and blow up that like button, please, and thank you. All right, go ahead and do it right now. Let's go. We got to get more likes on this stream. 673 likes. It's a disgrace. It's a disgrace. It's an absolute disgrace that we don't have more likes on this stream. On the book map right now, that 200 level just sitting there. Did I take profit at the right time? We're going to find out here in about 2 minutes, 1 minute. We'll see. It's getting real tight right now, possibly breaking out. But the cool thing is we did pretty much get up there to our target. I drew that yellow line or yellow circle there on the pivot point. You guys saw me earlier. This is not in hindsight. We're not trading in fucking hindsight. I'm not going short, going long in multiple accounts. You guys saw this call out. It was all very real in the moment. And there's that push up there to that pivot point on the QQQ. So again, if you're not using these QQQ pivot points, you're not looking at the ETFs, add them to your charts. I'm looking at the SPY, I'm looking at the QQQ, I'm looking at all of this action, top to bottom, baby. I want as much information as possible. And I think there's a lot of good information when it comes to looking at these pivot points on the ETFs, right? So check out the ETFs, keep an eye on them, see what's going on. Is there a pivot point? Is there something for the is there resistance? Is there a reason for the market to pull back when we push up, you know? And that's I think on the QQQ, there's a great reason for a target there. That was a great target area. So there it is. I'm pretty happy with that. I'll take it. I will take it. This is the QQQ pivot right there. You don't know how to add the pivots. Very simple, guys. Just go on fucking TradingView, type in pivot point standard right there. Pivot point standard. It's a free indicator. It's a free indicator. You can put it pretty much on any time frame. Everything below 15 minutes. 15 minutes and below will be the same exact time pivots. And then once you go to like an hour, you go to a daily, the pivots will change. So pretty much everything under 15 minutes. So people always ask me, what time frame you use? Pretty much I'm looking at the 15 minutes and under pivot points there. All right. All right. Hopefully that helps you guys, gives you a little bit of information there. Only 787 likes. Ah, man, freaking people be haters up in here. We got a lot of haters up in here. No liker. Where's all the likers at? Need more likers. Just kidding. I love you guys. Maybe if we let the brokies talk, maybe they'll like the video. Let's do a giveaway here. Should we do a giveaway? Let's do a giveaway. How about that? If I get 1,000 likes, we'll do a giveaway. 1,000 likes, what giveaway? Also, like I said, big news coming from Topstep this week, baby. Big news. We got a rocket ship. Topstep rocket ship. Can't show you all the way, but on my Twitter, go check me out on Twitter at Wieland Trades over there. But we got a rocket ship coming. I don't know about you guys, but something big is coming. It's a rocket. It's a ship. It must be big, right? Like it must be a big deal. So big news. Look at that. Big news. All right. All right. Will we push through the 200s here? Trying. The Nasdaq's got to go. Once you don't want that kind of double top up there. You got a pivot point up there at the 213s on the Nasdaq coming up. So got to go, go, go. Ding, ding, ding. Blow, blow, blow. Beep, beep, beep. Boop, 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 boop. All right, once again, trying to push through the 200s here. Would this have been my 100-point mover on the Nasdaq today? I don't know. I could have gotten it. Let's see. Do we get the 207s? Should I have been greedy? A lot of liquidity stacked up there right now at the 200s. Book map, bubble map. We got the bubble map opened up here now. Watch out. Things are getting crazy. Bubble, 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 bubble map. Just a bunch of bubbles on a map. Some people see bubbles. All I see is dollar bills. Dollar bills, baby. Dollar bills. Man, we can't even get 1,000 likes even with the giveaway. That's pretty sad. Pretty sad, man. I think she wants to go through here. The bubble map showing us that 200 level. Bubble, bubble, bubbles. Push it real good. You need more bubbles, more power, more. Nope. Bigger bubbles. We need bigger bubbles to get through 200. We need a big old bubble. One big bubble right through there, my friends. That's all we need. One big bubble right through the 200s. Oh, babies, one big bubble. There's the big bubble. Woo, big bubbles coming up. We got bubbles. We got big bubbles. We're getting big bubbles, boys. Need more bubbles, more bubbles. Up there to the 202s. I'm trying to see if we go to the 207s here. I want to be sad. I'll be really sad if we go to the 207s. Why me? Why? I'm gonna be real sad right now. Real sad. Got some liquidity coming in there at the 99s right now, trying to hold it up here. Do they get one more squeeze up there to the 10s or higher? We are right at our target, my friends. How good is that? How good is that? Are you not impressed? We are right there at our target here on the QQQ. We drew this circle literally what? When we were like down here, I think. I don't want to say that I'm always right, but damn, I'm good, baby. Damn, he's good. Look at that move. All right, all right. Any more bubbles? Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles? We got bubbles. Bubbles in the front, bubbles in the back. Bubbles in the front, bubbles in the back. So 204 are the highs so far. All right. Bubble bubbles. Bubble, 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 bubbles. Oh, did it go 207? It went 207. Fuck. Oh, that's comedy. There it was, my friends. The 100-point mover. We were there. We win. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm not gonna lie. I think it's definitely not my biggest profit day ever, but still a good morning on the day right now. We're up about $5,000 total. So I'll take it. $5,000 a day keeps the doctor away. This morning was just a total fuck fest. Like it was not pretty. Just a total chop city fucking fuck fest. So when should the next entry be? Consistent trader. I don't know. You're consistent. Why are you asking me? Your name is Consistent Trader, and you're asking me where the next entry is? Come on. if you guys want to check out the Market Flow Trader community, it's $500. $500 for a lifetime membership. So check it out. Link there in the chat. I got 80 points on that move. 80 fucking points. All right. I will take it. 80 points a day keeps the doctor away. All right. All right. All right. All right. Yes. Yes, it does. I will do a giveaway if we get 100, if we get 100,000, if we get 1,000 likes on the stream, I will do the giveaway. So you only need 15 more likes. Up to you guys. You hit the like button now if you want. But again, I mean, is there really any other YouTuber that's doing this? That's making 80 points live on YouTube? Anybody else live on YouTube doing this? I don't know. I don't think there is. I don't think there is, my friends. I might be full of myself, but I don't think anyone else is doing it. I haven't seen it. I'm still, I like the competition. Like, I want other people, you know? I want the other people, man. I want the other people to talk to, like, push me. I want that competition. I'm not afraid of competition. Like, I want it. Like, I want people to be like, hey, I can do better than you, Patrick. I'm like, hey, let's go. You know, I want to see it. The Topstep, we're going to do, we got a lot of free Topstep accounts coming out soon, but today we're going to do a Market Flow Trader community giveaway. So go to the Patrick Wieland Inc. website there, scroll down to the bottom, just go over there. You scroll down to the bottom, you sign up, enter to win, and we will pick a winner here at 11 o'clock. Yeah, 4 minutes. 4 minutes for the giveaway here. So let's go. David G making $2,100. Let's go. Guys, anybody, I'm telling you right now, if you're asking if I have live call out somewhere, if you're asking like anything about like wanting to know when I enter, I'm telling you right now, you're going to fail. Go ahead and quit trading. Just go ahead and quit, right? I've been trading for 7 years. I've been in all the chat rooms. I've tried. You will not make money following some idiot on fucking YouTube. You will not make money following somebody in a chat room. I'm telling you right now, it's the truth. That's why it's pointless. Stop asking, start learning how to trade, right? It's very simple. Like, you don't need call outs. Like, you don't need call outs. Like, if you think the only way you're going to make money is with call outs, then just go ahead and stop trying to day trade. I'm not trying to be an asshole, but like, just stop. Like, stop trying to get call outs. Like, you won't make money. If everybody, think about it. Like, if everybody would make money following some guru in a chat room, why doesn't everyone get fucking rich, right? Like, if it was that simple, you won't make money. You won't. So you keep asking me, like, Patrick, how do I get your call outs? You won't make money. Maybe people want to see if I'm legit. I mean, where are we at right now? Where do we go? Where'd the market go? How much more legit can I possibly be? How much more legit can I possibly be? Like, literally, like how much more legit can I possibly be, guys? You know what I mean? Like, how much? I just don't get it. Like, how much more legit can one man be? Did we not talk about that 100 level needing to hold? I said, hey, we do not want to get below this 100 level. We do not want to get below 100. All right, so that's giving you an idea of like, okay, well, maybe I want to be getting some longs if we hold 100. I literally said this. I literally said this multiple times as this pullback. I'm like, guys, as long as you hold 100s, we're good. But if we get back below the 100s, we're probably gonna hit fucking VWAP again. You know? I'm not trying to be an asshole, but I'm trying to be honest with you. Like, I've done it. Like, I've traded for 7 years now. I've been in every single chat room. I've had all these chat rooms trying to pay me to promote their chat rooms. They want to pay me to join their chat rooms, to post videos on YouTube. Everybody wants to work with me. Think about that. Like, everybody wants Patrick Wieland as a partner. Why do they all want Patrick Wieland as a partner? Because I'm always fucking getting the action, right? We're getting bigger by the day. Like, there's a reason that everybody wants to partner with Patrick Wieland. I can go work with anyone I want. But I don't promote chat rooms because I know that chat rooms don't work. I have market flow trader community. Like, I easily could just be like, hey guys, it's $500 a month to go join my chat room, you know, but like, they don't work. So like, why would I promote them? I'm trying to help you guys. Like, I'm literally just trying to help you. You know what I mean? You're just never going to make money doing this, trying to copy somebody. It's all it comes down to. I'm not 100%, like, I'm not trying to be an asshole here. I'm just trying to be honest with you. Like, if anyone's telling you that their chat room can help you make money, it won't work. You got to learn how to trade. Like, look at this. Where are we at right now? I mean, this is a very simple strategy right here. We got pivot points on the fucking QQQ. There we go. Look where we got stuck at. Was that not our target? Like, was that literally not our target? I mean, that was our target. Like, what do I need to tell you? Guys, listen, I want you to buy now and I want you to sell when we get to that pivot point. You know what I mean? Like, is that, like, did I not pretty much say, like, did I not say, hey, this is our target? I'm not going to tell you to sell. Maybe it goes higher, maybe it doesn't, but like, it's a pretty good fucking target. It's a 100-point target. So, you know, I'm here to make money. I'm here to hopefully help people understand that most of these YouTubers, most of these trading coaches, most of the, you know, here's the thing, right? And I've always been honest about this. If you're a trading guru and you make millions of dollars trading, why would you be on YouTube? Why would you fucking be on Twitter every day trying to promote yourself? There's no benefit, right? If I can make all this money trading, why would I be on YouTube? Why am I on YouTube right now? It's very simple. Like I said before YouTube, I was a filmer, I was an editor. I started a YouTube to talk about how I was learning to day trade. I never claimed to be a fucking expert, but I just showed the process. Like 7 fucking years of basically getting my ass handed to me and then finally like figuring it out. And I still haven't even figured it out. Like, I'm still not the best fucking trader in the world. Am I the best trader on YouTube? 100%. And no doubt in my mind. Because I know that the actual traders on YouTube, all these new guys that are coming up, they're trying to, you know, throw shade at me. I know what they're doing. I know where they've been. I know what their issues are. Like, I've done it, right? Like, I've already been through that whole entire thing. Like, I've been on YouTube for 7 years. So don't try to like tell me that you're reinventing the wheel. I know what your little deal is. Like, hey, I'm going to start out and I'm going to claim that I'm the best trader in the world on YouTube with my 100 subscribers. And I'm going to tell everyone that Patrick sucks and he's the worst. But it's like, I've got 7 years of proof showing that I put in the effort. I put in the work, right? I put 7 years of my life into this. Am I the best trader in the world? Am I a fucking millionaire from trading? No. Do I make a lot of money? Yes. Is all that money come from fucking trading? No. And that's the truth. I've been very honest since day one. Like, I'm here to make money as a business. I'm a filmer. I'm an editor trying to become a day trader. I'm not the other way around. I'm not a day trader being an influencer, right? Like, I'm an entertainer. That's what it is. Like, this is fucking entertainment, my friends. We're here to make money together, have fun. But at the same time, it's like, let's be honest. Like, if I'm here, that means I'm probably not the best, you know, I'm not making millions of dollars trading. That's just the fact, right? Like, that's it. It's simple. Like, at some point when I'm starting to make if I start making $1 million trading, I'm done with YouTube. I'm not going to sit here and brag to you guys and be like, guys, I'm a millionaire. I'm live on YouTube. Like, I'd be like, sorry, I'm fucking going to go retire and live in, you know, paradise with my 6 feet tall blonde Russians and get massages all day, right? Like, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Like, that's my goal. My goal is not to be a fucking day trader who wants to be a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber who wants to be a day trader. Like, that's the difference between me and all these other people on YouTube. I am a YouTuber that's a very successful, I'm a successful YouTuber, right? I'm making 6 figures a month from what I do. But my goal is to not keep doing this. Like, I want to get to a point where I'm no longer a YouTuber and I'm just a day trader. And that's where I'm going. I'm not the other way around. There's a lot of these people on YouTube that claim to be day traders, that want to be YouTubers. They're never going to make it. YouTube is a business. Like, they're not, like, they don't have it. There's a reason people watch me on YouTube. Not because I'm the best trader in the world. It's not because I'm fucking like a genius. Because I keep on coming back, baby. I fucking take no, I don't take no for an answer. Let's do the giveaway. All right. And I'm still the only fucking YouTuber to show a payout from Topstep live twice now. Literally, I think 3 times. Like, who else? How much money do you have to make to consider yourself a millionaire? I mean, $1 million a year. I make $1 million a year. That's how much I make now. I can honestly say that I make over $1 million a year. Is it all from trading? No. No, it is not. All right. Very honest with you. Is it going to be all from trading one day? 100%. 100%. All right. We're doing the giveaway. Hold on, everybody. Hold on. I gotta get the person, my assistant here. Hopefully he's working today. That Lambo guy, he doesn't show his... The thing about the Lambo guy is all those Forex brokers are a scam, right? I'm telling you right now, all the Forex brokers that promote these idiots on YouTube, it's a scam. It's already been debunked. You can easily change like the numbers in the Forex brokers. Like, come on. It's all a scam, you know? Like, I'm just being honest with you. The whole futures, like the whole futures market is, I mean, not futures, Forex market is a scam. No, it's not. Yes, it is, Martin. You just told me how much money did you lose, Martin. Do not try to tell me anything, Martin. Marcin Romanowski, you are the winner. Marcin, M-A-R-C-I-N, Romanowski, you are the winner, my friend. I'll send you an email with the link to join the Market Flow Trader there. There's Marcin. He's a winner. We got a winner, baby. I don't care what anyone says. Anyone that's a Forex influencer is a scam. If they sell signals, any of that bullshit, it's a scam. 100%. Except ICT doesn't ever trade real money. So I'm not going to get into that again. But like, again, you know, we've already talked about that. There's a big difference between being a sports announcer and being a commentator versus being an actual athlete. Like, if you're in the NFL and you're the quarterback throwing the fucking touchdown and there's a sports announcer sitting over there going, hey, I know what's going to happen. Tom Brady is going to throw the ball here. Watch. Oh, he threw it. I knew it. I'm the best football announcer. I know everything about football in the world. I knew that Tom Brady would throw the ball. That's fine, right? Like, you could claim that you're the best announcer, you're the best fucking commentator in the world, but like, if you don't play the sport, you're not an athlete. Like, you're not. That's the same thing with trading. If you don't fucking trade real money, if you don't pay yourself from trading, you're not a day trader. Like, you're just a commentator. And again, I'm not trying to hate on ICT. I'm really not. But it's just a fact. I got nothing against the guy, honestly. Like, I really don't. I really have nothing against him. But anyone that says the ICT is the best trader in the world, I think he's a really, really, really good teacher, a really good mentor. But at the end of the day, he's not the best trader in the world. And it's that simple, right? It's just that simple. It's just facts. It's called reality. And that's the problem. We live in a world now where people have lost reality. There is no more fucking reality anymore. It's like, well, Patrick, this guy, he's the best fucking astronaut ever, but he's never been to space. Right? Like, you can't be the best astronaut on the planet and never been to space. You know, you can't be the best basketball player in the world and never fucking play in the NBA. If you have never played in the NBA, you are not the best basketball player in the world. Just because you can go out in your backyard and shoot fucking 3-pointers all day does not mean you're a good basketball player. You could be really good at playing a sport, but if you don't fucking compete against the best in the world, then you're not really, really good. The same way that, like, if you trade on a demo account, you're not trading. Like, you're not actually in the market. That simple. And again, yeah, anyone that's selling Forex signals is a scam. I'm telling you, it's all a scam. It's all a scam. You know what I mean? Like, it's just a scam. Anyone that sells signals is a scam. That simple. All right. It's that simple. It's not even an argument. It's just reality. All right. Now that I'm all worked up here, the NASDAQ kind of bounced around here at the 180s again. My favorite is that girl on Twitter, Kelly, whatever her name is, claiming how she made millions of dollars. This is what my favorite part about this whole thing now with like the whole Forex brokers and stuff is if you look at a lot of the Forex influencers, guess what they're doing? They're trading the NASDAQ. They're trading, you know, the US 30. They're not even trading Forex. Like, they're not even trading actual like currencies. Most of them end up trading the actual NASDAQ, and they trade, you know, they trade the actual indexes, which is funny because like I see the guys post up big P&Ls and their P&Ls are showing them trading the indexes. So it's like, there's no benefit. Like, if you're a futures trader, why would you trade Forex over trading futures? There's a spread. The taxes are not better. I mean, there's no benefit. Nobody can tell me that there's a benefit to trading Forex, trading, you know, through a Forex broker and trading the indexes. It's that simple. So, all right, I'm done. I'm fucking going to lunch. Maybe the market keeps going higher here, but I think we got a pretty good read on it. We got our target. We went, it's funny. It was literally 207 was the high there, right? Like literally 207 was the fucking high. Like 207.25. That was the high after this move. So I was in there at the 107s and it went to 207. So kind of funny. Who would have thought? I mean, that girl on YouTube that's like trying to claim that she's a multi-millionaire from trading. Like, let's be honest. Like, this girl is the biggest scam in the world. I mean, it's just like, it's too much. Look, it's like this thing. How I made 6.5 million by the age of 20. If I make $6.5 million, I'm not going to be on fucking YouTube, people. You know, like, come on. It's the biggest lie ever. It's literally the biggest scam. Come on. Get out of here. So look, just working to make you richer financially and mentally and spiritually. Like, get out of here. And look, like, look right here. Get a $21 trial month in Cash Capital by visiting Cash Capital Invest. Like, let's look at Cash Capital. Your income in your hands. Does this not look like a scam website? Come on. Are people this dumb? Like, come on. People can't be this silly. Your income, your hands. Make money from the comfort of your device. You're telling me this website is a legit website? Cash Capital. Come on. Oh, look, it's her. Fucking, she's the founder. Look at these people. What are they, like 20 years old running a fucking financial firm? Technical analysis specialist? Are you kidding me? This is insanity. It's fucking insanity. Oh my God. It's absolutely insanity. Your income, your hands. Make money from the comfort of your device. Oh my God. You gotta be kidding me. Like, what I love the most about the whole like scam stuff is like, why are people so stereotypical? Like, why? Like, people are gonna, I'm not a scam artist. Like, well, you drive a Lambo or you rent a Lambo and every one of your thumbnails on YouTube are you standing in front of a Lambo. Like, whoa, you're not really helping yourself here. You're not really helping the case. You know, like, you're not helping your case. Like, who are you trying to target with your Lambo? Right? Like, you're trying to target people that are idiots, to be honest. Like, that's pretty much like who you're trying to target. Like, hey, I'm trying to get the people that think that my Lambo is like legit. Like, I'm actually like, hey, Patrick's got a Lambo. I want to go buy his fucking course. He must be really rich. He's got a Lambo. Like, it's literally like owning a Lambo nowadays is literally the biggest red flag of you being a scammer. I would say, like, it's literally the biggest thing. You know, like, and then having a website called Cash Capital. Come on. Cash Capital. What about trucks and boats? I mean, I buy a truck because I needed a truck to pull a boat, and I bought a boat because I wake surf. I didn't go out and buy a Lambo because I want to like post it on YouTube. So yeah, am I going to spend my money? Yeah, I make money. Well, I'm not like, I don't buy a truck to promote a truck, right? Like I'm not like, hey guys, I bought a Raptor. I'm the best trader in the world. You know, like I bought a Raptor because that was my truck that I wanted to buy. And nothing like I could go out right now and buy a Lambo. I could buy a fucking Lambo. I could buy a fucking Bentley, whatever I want right now. Cash, no problem. But I don't do it. Like I don't care. You know, I bought what I wanted to. I got nothing against people that want to buy a Lambo. Buy a Lambo. But it's pretty clear to see when someone is, all they're doing is promoting a lifestyle that's not real. Hey, like, hey guys, I'm a millionaire Forex trader. Here's my Lambo. Buy my fucking signals for $300 a month so that I can buy another Lambo. Like, let's be honest. Like, that's the business, right? They're not making enough money to justify buying a Lambo from trading, right? Like, I don't make enough money personally from trading to go out and buy a fucking Lambo. Like, I make money from everything else. I don't have enough money. Like, you know, so it's a disguise. You know, it's a disguise basically. So think about it. What is my next car? I'm not going to buy a next car. Like, I don't care. Like, I got everything I want. I wouldn't have two cars if it wasn't that I bought the Bronco when I was in Hawaii. I bought the Bronco because I was living in Hawaii and I wanted something simple. And then when I moved back to Florida, I sold the fucking, you know, I sent the Bronco to Florida. If I'd ever bought the Bronco in Hawaii, I wouldn't have the Bronco, but I bought it, you know? Kelly admits she made her money from her chat room. Yeah, we already know it. But again, it's like when your video on YouTube says, I make $6 million at 20 years old. Like, you made $6 million selling a chat room, or you made $6 million trading? Right? Like, that's the difference. Like, I don't post up fucking videos on YouTube going, hey guys, I'm a multi-millionaire. I'm a multi-millionaire day trader. I'd be like, I would be lying, right? Like, I'd be lying to you guys. That's what it would come down to. Like, I'd literally be lying because I'm not a multi-millionaire from trading. I'm not even a multi. I'm a millionaire from YouTube, right? And I've been honest about that. I've told you guys that. But am I going to get to that point where I'm going to be a millionaire for trading? 100%. I'm there. I'm going there, all right? So there it is. If it looks too good to be true, it probably is. That's a great way to think about it. I mean, Maurice, I made $7,000 last month from fucking YouTube. That's not great money. Okay? So yeah, I would say that the amount of work and that I put into being live on YouTube 2 hours a day, every fucking day during the week, I wouldn't say $7,000 is like justifies that. Maybe it justifies it for you, but you know, it doesn't justify it for me. The YouTube is just, you know, promotion for everything else. So yeah, again, I got nothing against people that want to go out and buy nice things. Go out, work hard, buy nice things, but like be honest with yourself. You know, be honest with yourself. $7,000 a month from YouTube. That's what I make. And I've only just, guys, I've only like literally in the last few months, like started actually making like decent money with trading, you know, like it's only like, it hasn't been like that way for 7 years. So, you know, you might see me making money today, making profits, you know, but this is all, I wouldn't say it's new, but it's not like I wasn't making thousands of dollars trading last year. Like you guys can go and watch my videos. So. I wake up every morning at 6 a.m. I'm actually trying to hire a full-time personal trainer. I want to literally hire someone at like literally full-time, 5 days a week, come to my house, work out, fucking keep me pushing. So I've been working with Topstep now for about 8 months, since last August. Honestly, the biggest thing that took me the success in the last like year was just my overall mental. You guys can watch all the videos on YouTube, me talking about the mental aspect of it. The physical, mental, emotional. Maurice 99. I'm a millionaire from YouTube. Everything that has to do with YouTube. The affiliate deals, the partnerships, everything. I don't make $1 million from YouTube. I make $1 million being Patrick Wieland. That's what I make $1 million do. Kelly never said she made all of her money for trading. Okay, cool, dude. I get it. 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 Yeah, yeah. Defend the girl who's selling a fucking Cash Capital LLC. You know, it's like her video says how I made 6.5 million by the age of 20. It's like, so what's your, like, what are you selling? You're telling everyone like, hey, look, this is how you get rich, right? You start a YouTube channel, you start a chat room, you start a service, and then you just trade a little bit. You don't actually have to trade. But I made 6 million from selling my service and selling my chat room and my signals. Like, that's the difference. Like, I don't make videos on fucking YouTube going, hey guys, here's how I made $1 million. Trying to like promote that I'm a millionaire, but then being like, well, you know, I didn't make that much money. I didn't make that much money. You know, you got the kid, yeah, the kid who's in his bathroom taking a dump, making money. He's working hard over there. He's complaining about how hard life is. Hey, all right, I'm going to Chipotle. I'll leave the book map open for a little bit for you guys that are still here. If you want to watch it, I guess I'll leave it up there for you. So there it is. I'll leave the book map open. I'm gonna go to lunch. I'll be back later. Why do we care so much? Because we're fucking on YouTube. With, you know, what else are we gonna do? People like act like, oh, Patrick, why do you care? I mean, I'm on YouTube. What else are we gonna talk about? We're gonna talk about other YouTubers. We're gonna talk about the market. We're gonna talk about other traders and all that. Like, that's why we care, because this is literally what we do, right? Like, I mean, it's like if we had a channel talking about Pokemon cards, we would talk about Pokemon cards. So that's the difference. Like, I love when people are like, Patrick, I don't know why you care so much. I'm like, well, I mean, what else are we gonna talk about? Like, you want to talk about like the, you know, politics? You want to talk about you want to talk about health, you know, wealth, or vegan? I don't know. What do you want, like, what do you want to talk? All right, I'll leave the book map open, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, Thursday. Turbo Thirsty Thursdays? What's the name for Thursdays? I haven't figured this out yet. What's AMC at right now? Oh, I haven't even looked at AMC in so long. $4.13, baby. AMC going to 1 million. That's like my favorite example of like stupidity, right? Everyone said that I was a scammer when I said that AMC was gonna go to 0, and now it's at $4. AMC will go to 0. It might not be tomorrow, but it will. The company's going fucking bankrupt. It's a joke. All right. Thunder Thursdays. I like that. Thunder Thursdays. All right. Come back tomorrow for Thunder Thursdays. Thunder Down Under. All right. All right.